Hey, what's up guys, it's George, and in this video I want to talk about how a golden key tip nugget and how to make money as quickly as possible, how to start and how to make more money, and that is to focus on IPAs, not the beer, but I'm talking about IPAs, which is an acronym for income producing activities. It's arguably the single most important thing that you can work on as an entrepreneur. And a lot of times when I work with people and I'm analyzing their business and so forth, or why they're struggling or whatever, I can narrow it down and I can see the results by how much effort they're putting into their IPAs, their income producing activities. So I get a lot of people that reach out to me and they want to make money as quickly as possible. They're on the verge of quitting their job, or whatever, and they're trying to make that cheddar as quickly as possible. And the key is to focus on income producing activities. And what do I mean by that? Well, let's think about it. All right, is getting organized, is that an income producing activity? Nope. You might think so. Oh yeah, I'm cleaning my desk and yeah, I'm cleaning everything up, getting all organized. I got my filing cabinet all, and that's great. Being organized is definitely important, but that is not an income producing activity. You can have a squeaky clean office that is so clean you could eat off the floor, but that's not going to make you any more money. That's not an income producing activity. What about ordering business cards? All right, I ordered business cards today. Yeah, I'm in business. No, that's not an income producing activity. Sure, business cards are nice and all, and they're a good supplement to your business, but that's not an income producing activity. And so you got to think about whatever niche that it is. Say, for example, it's the diabetic test strips business, the medical commodities business, like I do a lot of videos on teaching about. Again, ordering business cards, getting organized, getting all your spreadsheets in line and your scripts down and everything, that's great, but those aren't income producing activities. What are the activities that are going to generate leads? Because leads, that's what leads to results. That's, when you're getting calls, you're getting texts, you're getting email, that's what leads to producing income. So marketing, advertising, those are income producing activities, because those are things that are going to generate leads coming to you, regardless of how organized you are, business cards, all the other things like that. At the end of the day, if you're out of leads, you're out of business. And so you should be focused on the activities that are going to be generating as many leads as possible, really regardless of what business you're in. You need leads, whether you're a real estate agent, the notary business. If you're not getting title companies, escrow officers, signing companies, people calling you for notary services, then you're not getting any leads. You're out of business. So you can study all day long about the laws of the notary and this and that, which is great. It's good to have that knowledge, but those aren't income producing activities. The person that doesn't know anything, but they're just focusing on the IPAs, they're going to be making more money than that person that is focusing on getting organized and getting everything all situated and everything. So the key, guys, keep this simple. If you want to start making money as quickly as possible, is to focus on the IPAs, identify whatever niche, whatever business you're in, what are truly the activities that are income producing activities. It's key to identify those, become aware of that, and think, all right, again, like I said, ask yourself, is ordering business cards, is that an income producing activity? Truly, like, is that going to generate more leads? Do that on your off time, but if you have limited time, focus on the IPAs, and then put massive 10 times more action into those IPAs, those income producing activities. Boom, you're going to start making money, not only more money, but you're going to make money faster. And that is the secret to making money as quickly as possible. Don't worry about the know-hows, the knowledge, the organization, the business cards, the websites, this and that. Focus on the IPAs, the simple, the mundane IPAs, the income producing activities. Take 10 times, 10x your action in those areas, and watch as the income starts to flow and the leads start to generate, you start making sales, start making money. And that's it, guys. Focus on the IPAs. That is the secret to success. That's the golden nugget for you today. A little droplet and nugget for you guys to help you guys start making money faster and making money in more abundance. So until next time, guys, have a great day. Let's make it a great day, great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. Let's get out there and make that money.